2, 1. We have arrived in Zadar, guys, and we're making our way down to our apartment where we're going to be staying for the next 4 nights. We're going to unload our bags and then make our way into Zadar Centre. Oh, I've lost the flip-flop. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Jesus Christ. So the weather's about 23, 24 degrees right now. The water at first was pretty cold when we got in, but it's just nice, a nice perfect temperature now. Time is kicking on a little bit now. It is 5:30. Yeah, we're going to finish off our drinks. We've got a nice little swim, a nice bit of relaxation. We're going to head back into Zadar town centre, have a little bit of an explore. Well, we're about to look for Route C. What you do is you come up here, you get the boat across to here, and then we'll see how much time we've got onto there to do that bit. If we haven't got enough time, we'll just cut across here and then back.
Aye, so we'll get to here and then you've got the option.
Aye, because on both B and C, you get the boat right to there anyway.
Yeah.
And then you won't either cut across or...
Yeah, I will have to.
Day number 2 of our Croatian adventure. We're just getting off the bus, a 2-hour bus from Zadar to one of Croatia's most famous national parks, Plitvice Park. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Time's currently 11 o'clock. We've got up until 5 p.m. to explore, get around and see as much as we can before we catch the bus back to Zadar. So one thing you'll notice when you look online, you think to yourself, the water can't really be that blue, but it is that blue. Everyone rushing for shelter as it's starting to rain. We're expecting thunderstorms any minute. It's going to be raining for the rest of the day apparently. The weather's took a bit of a turn for the worst. The rain's absolutely pouring down. We've got thunder, we've got lightning, but we've managed to get an umbrella, so we should be fine. We've still got quite a distance left on the walk, about another hour and a half. Hopefully the weather dies down a little bit, but we're not going to let it ruin our day. So we must crack on with the trek. A quick update on the plan for the rest of the week. Today we were supposed to be going on a boat trip to Zadar Beach, which has been cancelled due to the unpredictable weather. But the good news is we've managed to book another boat trip for tomorrow to the Kornati Islands. So today we're going to head down to the port of Zadar and head across to Preko on the island of Ugljan. Do a little hike, find a beach, chill out, relax and just enjoy the day. We're about 30 minutes into the hike now and already we've taken a wrong turn. We've had to take a little bit of a detour to get us back onto the road we needed to be on. But we're back on track now and we're about 30 minutes away from the top. So this is our final full day here in Zadar before we fly back to Newcastle tomorrow morning. We're heading off on a boat trip that's going to take us to the Kornati Islands. We're going to have a few different stop-offs where we're going to do some snorkeling, have a bit of a swim, nice relaxing day. So we're super excited, something different today, looking forward to it before we head off home tomorrow. Just stopped at our first island of the trip and we've got about 2 hours to explore this island here, so we're just going to head up to the top of this hill so we can get some awesome views, and then I think we're going to head down, have a little dip in the water, but check out the views from up here. That's our boat down the bottom there, that's where we've docked. Got the lovely blue water there. And I think across this side we've got another little beach. We'll have a look at and check that out. Oh wow, this looks cool.